So here it is. I actually placed an image. What I really want to do now, I want to create colors. So what are my choices right now? I can select this image and I can go to trace the image and get the colors and expand it and wait for a while and not get the colors. So instead of that, I'm going to go to the image itself. Because I linked it, it's not going to work with Object Mosaic. So you need to know when you work with Object Mosaic, it has to be embedded. So I'm going to embed the image. And then I'm going to object and create Object Mosaic over here. And it doesn't matter for me how many I'm doing it. I'm just going to do it like that over here. And then I'm going to create the Object Mosaic. Just 1 minute. OK, it didn't work for some reason. Uh-oh.
The gremlins.
The gremlins are coming over here. And then I am.
Those gremlins are so pesky.
OK, I'm going to go back here. And then embed the image. OK, and then embedding the image. I'm going to go into create Object Mosaic over here. And then I'm just going to go and make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm just going to go in and click OK. And doesn't matter what I have here, because I don't really care about the look of the stuff that I have right now. I'm going to go to my Layers panel. I'm going to select the Object Mosaic that I just created over here. I'm going to go back here, select that, and I'm going to go to my Layers panel, Swatches panel. You'd see I don't have colors. And then I'm going to go back here and add selected colors. And look at that, I have colors. And I didn't need to do anything else with it. Once I have that, I can go actually to my effect. I can go to my favorite pucker and bloat. That's how my student used to call me, pucker and bloat over here. And that's here, I have that. And then if I'm going to go to my Layers panel and turn off the original, here I have that. And I can go from there everywhere else. So I'm using Object Mosaic to create colors and create effects. Thank you.
I love it.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.